So what's going on, everyone? Today is the 4th of October, 2023, here to talk about the SPY ETF because the price has crashed ever since it has completely broken away from this long-term ascending line. You guys can see that the price in the SP 500 or the SPY is now trading below this massive trend that started all the way back in October 2022. So what now? Is the market in SPY a sell now? We're going to talk about that today, but before I do, I want to show you all that we anticipated that the SPY was bullish back here in June. I did an update video on June 28th, not changing my price prediction, still looking for the market to go up in the SPY, and actually did that right here on July the 12th, 4.07% there. Okay, so now seeing that the market in the SPY has broken this trend line, it is no longer valid. So what we need to do here is transpose that trend line into a downtrend. Okay, this is the current direction price it's on in the SPY. So every time the market in the SPY comes to this downtrend line, it gets rejected and comes back down. Okay, so right now you can see that price currently may be oversold. It may do time for us to see the price in SPY go higher. But again, we're definitely seeing massive weakness in this particular stock. Okay, I want to show you this on the 3-day chart, that this last 3-day price bar has completely enclosed the last 3 days. So it kind of did like a fake out to where the market initially started on this 3 days going up, but it ended lower than even the low of the prior 3 days. Massive indication of weakness right there in the SPY. So the question is, are we going to continue to see the market in the SPY go down? That's the question, because this particular stock definitely is exhibiting a lot of weakness. Okay. So now let's go ahead and anticipate what we look forward to into the market in the SPY right here on the 5-day chart. We have 8 hours and 55 minutes left. And at the conclusion of today's trading day, the market in the SPY closes on the low on this 5-day price bar now, then we have to consider that the market is still weak and that the market's going to continue to drift to the downside. Okay, you guys can see it here on this 2-weekly price bar, this last printed one, that the market in the SPY definitely is harnessing some weakness again. Got that indicator weakness triggered. So where are we looking for the price in the SPY to go? Well, right now I'm looking for it to go down. My first target would be here. My second target in the SPY would be right around $410. Okay. The 3-weekly chart looks weak too as well. Here it is on the 2 days and 9 hours. Again, once this bar prints, if it closes down here on the low where it is right now, we may even see the market in SPY come all the way down to like 403. Okay, so definitely want to put that on your radar as well too. Here it is on the 3 months chart. So charts don't lie. It's definitely telling us that the market currently in this, at least in this price area, that is a little bit more weaker right now. So let me do this. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the chart, and we'll be finished looking for the market in the SPY to drift to the downside, go lower. And especially as we see price trade below $432, which is on like 2.5%. Well, I'm gonna take it at 435, 3.17% there. Our first target is at 415. That is 1.42%. Second target is around 410, 2 3/4. So it's not really that bad in terms of weakness in the SPY. My third target, let me put on the third target, would be 405, which is around 4% move down. Okay, now there's a lot of trading days in between today and going into November, so we will see some market movement to the upside. It's going to occur, but generally, as long as price in the SPY trades below this downtrend line, and especially below 435, in my opinion, the market definitely looks a little bit more weaker. So I'm done. Hit me up. What's your thoughts? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.